friends, this is Hefei Tianxin construction machinery. Our company was founded in 2013 based in Hefei, Anhui, China. We mainly supply used excavators, road rollers, loaders, bulldozers, and other construction machines. Brands include Caterpillar, Sunny, Hyundai, Doosan, Komatsu, Hitachi, XCMG, Volvo, and more. We focus on quality after-sales service and one-stop trade service. If you need reliable construction machines, contact me.